the mantra stated by Dominic was perfection or nothing. And therefore, I'm happy that Wim joins us on the stage, because I hope we can also convince from a system supplier point of view, Keller Minimal Windows, that perfection or nothing is the only way to make things good and things easy and long-lasting for the next generation. Wim, the floor is yours. No script, you promised me, and we just go ahead into YouTube now.
Thank you, Werner. It's now my pleasure to welcome you all here at this beautiful venue and those at home following the live stream. We're excited to see so many of you attending, so it's something to be really proud of. We as Keller, at what we do, it's all about tradition. The tradition that dates back to the beginning in 1980 with the foundation of the company, a company that had as will to succeed, to supply and engineer and design solutions for clients who wanted to have something bespoke. This led to the development of the first minimal windows in 2007, a system that was actually conceived to cater for double glazed units at the time. A system that has been very successful, today still is successful, and then was followed by what we called Minimal Windows 4+, which actually caters for triple glazing units. That because of the fact that, of course, in changing times, energy efficiency, better U values, further developments. We then further developed in a facade system, which we call Highline, allowing you as architect or an investor or a client to have the same sidelines going over separate and different stories from the bottom all the way up, allowing to use still sliding windows into the facade design and concept. And the start of our competence center, which we use to train our partners. Training for us, very important, the same as the partner. What we do would not be possible without our partners. You have already seen 2 of them. There's many, many more. We provide them with design solutions, and they receive from us a full technical training and assistance on site. Further developing in 2016, because there was a need in the market, we came with a system that we call Freeway. Freeway is actually a development that we started to allow you to use minimalistic windows, sliding, but provides you with a barrier free from the inside out. That has meanwhile been further developed into what we now call Floor, a system that has the same specification as the Freeway, but allows you to use the same cladding inside through the profile tracks to the outside. All of this just to show you that we as a company with a history and tradition are determined to make a difference in the future. And that future will be the new generation slider, which we will launch and present officially at the Bau in Munich 2023. So there's more very exciting things to come in the near future. Something very important, something that hardly anybody sees, are the invisible parts, or those parts that are hardly visible in our system. And these parts effectively make the complete difference. Minimalistic systems, today there's many suppliers, but it is the things that you don't see, the engineering and design behind, and the quality that makes all the difference. We're just going to show you a small video that we used that shows the craftsmanship, the design and engineering behind the parts and the system that we use. Within our range, there are opening corner solutions, pivot door, and you will see more afterwards during the presentation of our pivot door entrance design by Zaha Hadid design team. We can go up to 6 meters high. Single weight leaf of 1 ton. In the future, even that's going to be increased. And all of that is based on the tradition and craftsmanship and the will to excel every day. System allows to be completely recessed in the floor, sides and walls, so pretty much invisible tracks in aluminum, providing you with maximum views possible depending on the size. We will be happy, my colleagues and myself, to answer a couple of technical questions afterwards. You've seen a new design of our locking mechanism. We have it here as well, I think. So I'll be happy to explain that afterwards. There's, of course, a couple of celebrities in this picture, but at Keller, it's not about these celebrities. It's about the values that we share with them. We work hard every day to provide our clients and partners with design, engineering solutions, trying to excel, trying to improve. The same with these people who've spent their entire life trying hard to get better, get to the point where they are today, and we're proud to have these people as our clients and references, but we're even more happy to have a team of people in our office, partners, architects, friends that help us in becoming better, further developing, and looking towards the future. One of these people that made us successful on the Dutch market, Hans van Heeswijk, architect, who built for himself this cube glass house, design that has been awarded with a couple of awards, not only in the Netherlands, where it was his will to enjoy the view from the kennel just in front of his house, and to enjoy the play of light, the light coming in. That was his design. Another design we're proud of is a design made by Iraklis Papachristou, Cyprus, where he made a design using Keller minimal windows to provide spectacular views on the Lampaditsis winery project. A project with a beautiful story, which we will soon be telling about as well. And for those who want to know more, you can ask me afterwards. But there's a story behind from somebody who wanted to return something to his village, where he came from. And that is the result where an architect and an investor find themselves together in finding a solution and telling a story. As said before, celebrities, but it's about all these people in the picture and so many more that help us every day in excelling, becoming better, and improving continuously. And as said before, it's all about your view. It's all about us doing it together with partners, architects, and it would be now an honor to see the next step, phase design. So I'll give it back to Wim de Jager.
You have to stay on stage.
I have to
please.
stay.
Yeah, sure. I have to ask a question first. I'm the rookie. I'm just a newcomer, 6 months in the company, so I don't know too much about anything.
I've been there only a little bit longer than you, so.
But you're more or less the old fox in that room. And the question is, I mean, when it comes to the old fox, when you see about this Keller minimal windows, what is the DNA for you?
It's the will to supply something that makes the difference in the end. To make sure that the people who want to use our products because they want to realize their dream get a product that is not only just good for today, tomorrow, but will last throughout the generation. Something that has tradition and has a future and has a heritage. I think that is our DNA in the end.
Perfect or nothing?
Pretty much perfect or nothing, yeah, indeed.
Okay, Wim.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.